RankMath is a popular SEO plugin for WordPress known for its comprehensive sets of features that help website owners optimize their content and improve their search engine rankings. Here are some key features of RankMath. SEO analysis provides detailed SEO analysis for each post or page, highlighting areas for improvement such as keyword density, readability, and meta tags. XML sitemap automatically generates XML sitemaps to help search engines crawl and index your site more efficiently. Schema markup, rich snippets, supports various types of schema markup to enhance how your content appears in search engine results pages, SERPs. Focus keyword allows you to set a focus keyword for each post and provides recommendations on optimizing content around that keyword. Redirect Manager helps manage 301 redirects directly from the WordPress dashboard, useful for fixing broken links or redirecting old URLs. Integration with Google Search Console provides insights from Google Search Console directly within the WordPress dashboard. Social media integration allows you to set social media meta tags for better sharing on platforms like Facebook and Twitter. Advanced customization offers control over SEO settings for different post types and taxonomies, giving you more flexibility and optimization. Google Analytics integration integrates with Google Analytics to provide insights into your site's traffic and performance. Local SEO includes features specifically designed to improve local SEO efforts, such as local schema markup and Google Maps integration. Overall, RankMath is known for its user-friendly interface, powerful features, and the fact that it offers a lot even in its free version, making it a popular choice among WordPress users looking to enhance their site's SEO performance.